Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe and notification button. If you want to see how I got this look using e.l.f. products, primarily e.l.f. products, please keep watching. Thanks. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I do have clothes on. I have a tank top on. So today I'm sitting down to film a few videos for you, and but what I'm going to film right now is a full face using e.l.f. products. So let's sit back and see how this goes. I'm going to pull my hair back for a second. And yeah. Alright. So what we're going to be using today are a few products I picked up. Because I wanted to do a full face using e.l.f. And my good friend Hope, she just actually filmed a video. It was great. She's such a cutie. But I wanted to try out a few things. One of the things I wanted to try was this Flawless Finish foundation. But we'll get to that in a minute. Of course, I have to open it because my hands can't sit still. Sorry. Sorry guys, I'm being a little bit obnoxious. And no kidding, I have a pile of things over here that I'm ready to film for you guys. So we're gonna get started on my eyes though. So I actually saw somebody do a look with this e.l.f. by Christian Siriano. And I thought, oh, I should buy that because I like the colors. So that's the colors there. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 shimmers and looks like 2 or 3 mattes. Something like that. And if it looks like my eyeballs are sticking together, they are. Because I've been filming today. A bit. And I've been putting on lashes. Which, as you all know, leaves bits of glue everywhere. Be picking it out of my eyes for forever. So once I start wearing them, I'm like all in. I'm like, you gotta be all in because you've already gotten goo all over your lashes. And then when you put mascara on it, it's gonna look like crap. Now you guys are like, she's being a little bit obnoxious. My camera's gonna die on me. I can tell. Alright. Let me do this. I'm going to let the camera charge a little bit. I'm going to finish vacuuming and dusting. And then I'm going to come back and film this look. I'll be back. In, I don't know, 40 minutes. But for you, that's going to be like that. See you in a minute. Okay, guys. Sorry about that. I charged my camera for a little bit. It should get us through this video, at least. I have stuff all over my eyeballs from that stupid lash glue. Ugh. Alright. So, I put a little primer on my eyes. I did do that. I think I did. I did. We're just gonna say I did. Not sure I did, but going with it. I did wash my face completely. There'll be a few products I don't have e.l.f. stuff for, but that's okay. Don't kill me about it. I may only film one other video after this because I've been filming for a long time. Okay, so we're gonna get started with this blush palette. I really do, the eyeshadow palette, I wish the door would open all the way. You know, the door, whatever it's called, the lid, the door. It's gonna be one of those days. I'm gonna have to give my brushes a good what for again, because we were dabbling in all of that colorful stuff earlier. And this is not so much colorful. I used to buy e.l.f. eyelashes. I haven't bought them in a long time. But we won't be putting any eyelashes back on. I can barely see the camera. We may be done for the day too. Okay, guys. Let's go ahead and put some of this light pink down. We're going to use that to cover our eyes. My eyes are burning too. Alright, I'll put that down. And then I think we're going to take this purple and put it in our transition. So there's this purple right here. We're going to take that and put it in our crease and kind of just blow it up a little bit. It's not very pigmented. Oh, maybe it is. Maybe it is. Maybe zoom you guys in a little bit. So, I hope everybody has had a great Sunday. I know I have. I really do enjoy filming for you guys, because I get to talk about my makeup. Love my makeup. Alright. Just darkening that up a little bit. And I think I might not be a little bit crazy. I'm going to put this green all over my eyes. Or at least on the outer part. Alright, hold on one second. My husband's texting me. He's done working. Okay, so I was trying to do it with my brush, and I just... Okay, my husband wants to eat. Story of my life. So I put that green on with my finger, and then I'm going to take the brush that I had, that I was putting it on, and I'm going to kind of make sure I get it up into the edge of the crease there, just so it doesn't look like it's crappy. It's not going to be as dark, but that's okay. That's alright. That's okay. Then I'm going to take this really light shade right here. It's like a, I don't know, looks like almost like a cream. And I'm going to put that on the inner part of my lid. The green on the outer. See, my husband wants pizza. Yes. Okay. Alright, then I'm gonna take this darker, it's like a darker purple, and I'm gonna actually put that in the outer V. Maybe it's a black, dark plum or a black. It's a little bit patchy. I'm gonna have to go back in with the green a little bit, but that's okay. I never know if I'm putting stuff on in the right order, but that's all right. Works for me, right? If it works for me, it can work for you. All right, just a little bit of depth with that. I'm gonna go back in with that green a little bit with my finger, and I'm gonna really kind of blur it out a little bit. Make sure I'm not just dabbing it in one place. I'm kind of moving my finger back and forth so it blends a little bit with the shades. We're gonna leave my eyes alone for a little bit. We're gonna put on, I bought this illuminating primer mist, so we're gonna put that on. Of course, it drenches you like you've been to the swimming pool. Put my little falsies away, 'cause we're not putting them on. So, it's not uncommon for me to wear false eyelashes to work, and then, like, they just start to fall off, or, I don't know, because I mess with my face all the time. And, it never fails. One of my employees, or one of my friends, because my employees are my friends, my staff, should I say, my staff. One of them, normally it's Audra. It always happens to this girl, Audra. But she finds them on the floor. And they, I mean, if you've never seen eyelashes on the floor, they look like spiders. Alright, so I got this, I don't know what it's called, Elf Flawless Flawless Finish Foundation in Sand. I don't know if it's gonna be dark enough for me. It actually looks like it's a pretty darn good match. We're gonna use this beauty blender to put it on our face. I like the way it's applying. Not too heavy. Might be because of that illuminating primer that we put on with it. I love it when I'm like, now ready to try something new, and then it's like, bam, you need to try something new. Done. I'm babbling now. This is my normal babble talk. Okay, I don't have a concealer or a setting powder, so I'm probably not going to set this down, but I'm going to let it dry for a minute while I put some brows on with the same old brow pencil that I don't know what kind it is anymore because I've worn the words off. We're just coloring this in. And then this is obviously going to be our last video for today, because once the hubby gets here, he will consume all time and energy. That's just the fact of life. So normally when I get like one brow bigger than the other, I just make the other one bigger too. We are not even. Damn it. I look a little bit pale in this foundation. Might not have been the right color. But we're going to live with it. Okay. And then I have this e.l.f. And it doesn't say the name, I don't think. It's called St. Lucia. But it's supposed to be a dupe for NARS Laguna. And I think it's Orgasm. NARS Orgasm. But we will see. I have both of those shadows, but I'm not. I mean, both of those shadows. I have that bronzer. And I have I like it. It's nice. It's nice. It's nice. It is. Should I say it one more time? Sorry. You guys are like, no. Really, the other direction's fine. I'm actually not going to put on because I have an illuminating primer mist on, and this is kind of dewy. I'm not going to put a highlighter on. Somewhere I do have an e.l.f. highlighter. I have no idea where it is. Okay, so I got these two liquid lips as well from that collection, the e.l.f. by Christian Siriano. I think I'm going to put the light pink one. I think this is a stain. Just a little lip stain. I'm going to go back into this, you know, this, my eyeshadow. And I'm going to get some of that green and I'm going to go under my eye with it. Why? I don't know. I just feel like it. I like it a lot. And then we're going to take this brush right here and we're going to go into this white, like it's like a pearl white. And we're going to stick that on our inner corner. And then under our brow bone. Actually, I'll put a little bit of it on my nose. And above my lip. Put a little bit of mascara on. I do not have an e.l.f. mascara. I'm just going to go with this. I don't know about you guys, but I like it. It's very springy. It's a very springy little look. And what, you can tell the weather is changing. I have had migraines for like 5 days now. And I feel one coming. So this is the look with e.l.f. products. So yeah, I like it. What do you think? Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye.